Good afternoon. Today we will discuss the important points in IHP. That is what questions will be asked for IHP. In IHP, the important is Pascal's law in first chapter. Important points are Pascal's law, Bernoulli equation, work and flow displacement, fluid used in hydraulic and pneumatics, essential properties of oils used in hydraulic system are the important points, and the oils which are used in hydraulic system are also important. Oil additives are used, these are also important here before unit, which is also important question in exam point of view. Now in hydraulic and pneumatic second chapter, symbols are important. These are important symbols, and again for the hydraulic and pneumatic machines which are used, in that the principal working of these important applications of various hydraulic pumps are used, where pumps are used, motors, pneumatic. These questions are important. That is gear pump, rotor pump, lobe pump. These pumps are important, and piston pumps which are used are also important. Rotary, vane, gear type of actuators are important. Now in hydraulic and pneumatic control accessories, flow control valves are important, direction control or pressure control, and different types of valves which are used, and accumulators which are used, pressure boosters which are used is important. For hydraulic and pneumatic circuits, you have to study the meter in and meter out circuit for speed controlling of actuator, and these two important synchronizing and sequencing circuit, counterbalance and unloading valve circuits are also important. And last chapter in electrohydraulic and pneumatic, you have to study the switches and direction control valves used, ladder diagrams which are used for that purpose, and so on. So these questions are important in your exam point of view. It is important. Thank you.